2 and 1400ths plus 2800ths. And I need to draw my quick pick. So how many holes do I have to draw first? 2, because 2 and 1400ths has 2 holes. And I draw my holes like a square because that represents my hole, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then I need to draw my tenths. How many tenths do I have? 1, and I draw it with a stick because that represents 1/10 of my hole. Then I need to draw my hundredths, and how many hundredths do I need to draw?
4.
I represent those with dots because it shows my hundredths, which is 1/100th of my hole. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I have 2 and 1400ths, and I need to add to that 2800ths. So how many tenths do I need to add?
2.
How many hundredths do I need to add?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to start counting up. Should I start counting up with my holes or with my hundredths? Because I always start counting up with my biggest or my smallest place value. Always start with my smallest. I start on the right. Just like when I stack up and add, I always start with the place that is closest to the right or furthest to the right. So how many hundredths do I have right here? 12. Can I write 12 in the hundredths place?
No.
So what do I need to do? How many are in a group?
10.
So I take 10, I circle it, I mark it out, and what do 10 hundredths become?
1/10.
1/10. So how many hundredths do I have left over after I regroup?
2.
So what digit goes in my hundredths place?
2.
Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I need to know how many tenths I have. How many tenths do I have?
4.
So what digit goes in my tenths place?
4.
Didn't even have to regroup that time. And how many holes do I have?
2.
2 and 42 hundredths is my answer. Super easy? Super easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is.